Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to pay Netflix using Mpesa. If you wanna use Netflix and wanna pay with Mpesa, then you need to follow the steps. Now, first thing, open up a browser and type in netflix.com. And here, go ahead and enter in your email address and click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, over here you'll be asked to type in your information, that is your email address, and create a password, and tap the Next button. As you do that, you'll be asked to select the plan that's right for you, so go ahead and select the premium account. Next, click on it, and then you will be taken to the payment section where you need to go ahead and either select a debit card or a credit card. So right on this page, what next you want to do is go ahead and enter in your card number, expiry date, CVV, and a card, and the name on the card. So if you have this option in your M-Pesa, you just go ahead and enter in that details and click on Start Membership at the bottom of the page. So this way you should be able to go ahead and pay Netflix using M-Pesa. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure I'll like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.